Hello and welcome to my ePortfolio. I decided to do my ePortfolio on the WordPress site because to me, I already have a lot of information on it and it's a lot easier to organize, as well as if people want to see more about me. Instead of just sending them to one site, I could send them to this site where I already have a lot of work. So let's continue. If you scroll down, latest from my blog, I have a resume and then a bunch of other blog posts that we'll get to. So on the blog page, I have my resume. I have written paragraphs and other entries on assignments that we've done in EME 2040. And they go into detail on things that I like, some things that I don't like about what we've used, but nevertheless, all that information is under the blog section. About this is just a little page telling you a little bit about me. It's not going to go into super specific detail in depth. Just let you know I'm a sophomore at the University of South Florida in my current major. Next, we're going to have the contact page. Like I said, I decided to do it on WordPress because it's a lot easier in terms of the format. It gives me a contact page where if you need anything, you could, your name, your email, website, and your message, and just shoot me over any information or any question you have at this email. All right, next is going to be the resume. So the one thing that I don't like about WordPress is it won't let you directly copy over Word docs. It lets you put them in, but it makes anyone have to download it. But anyway, if we go into that, my resume just gives you a little bit about me, things that I want to be, education, work experience, as well as other ways to contact me, and my skills. So, in terms of education, graduated high school, currently go to USF, we all know that. And I have work experience in hospitals and museums. Alright, and just some sample works right here. These are both infographics that I made for this class, just to show a little bit, and I put these here because it shows creativity and versatility when it comes to making infographics over small things. This one was about phishing, and this one was about Bitcoin and cyber currency, or cryptocurrency, really. Thank you.